You're probably overpaying for tech right now, like hundreds of dollars more. That new phone or laptop you just bought, yeah, you could have gotten almost the same thing for way less. So why aren't more people doing it? In this video, I'll show you how to safely buy refurbished tech and actually save money without getting burned. This is Tech Vibes, and today we're keeping more cash in your pocket. First, understand what refurbished really means. It does not mean broken or used up. Most refurbished devices are returns, or barely used items that couldn't be sold as new. They get tested, cleaned, and repaired if needed. Example, someone buys a MacBook, returns it in a week. That same device gets labeled refurbished. You get it for 20 to 40% less. Same performance, big savings. Second, only buy from trusted sellers. This is where people mess up. Stick to places like Apple Certified Refurbished, Amazon Renewed, Best Buy, or official brand outlets. Why? Because they offer warranties, at least 90 days, sometimes a full year. That safety net matters. If something goes wrong, you're covered. Avoid random sellers with no return policy. Cheap can get expensive real quick. Third, know what's safe to buy refurbished. Some items are perfect for it. Laptops, smartphones, tablets, monitors, these are solid choices. They're easy to test and refurbish properly. But avoid things like batteries-only products or heavily worn items. For example, wireless earbuds or old power banks. Battery health can be unpredictable. That's where savings might not be worth it. Fourth, always check the condition grade. Refurbished doesn't mean identical. You'll see labels like excellent, good, or fair. Excellent usually looks almost new. Good might have light scratches. Fair can have visible wear. Here's the trick. Go for excellent or like new if you care about looks. But if you just want performance, good can save you even more money. Same function, lower price. Fifth, compare prices before buying. Don't assume refurbished is always cheaper. Sometimes new items go on sale. Quick example. A refurbished iPhone might be $500, but a holiday deal could drop a new one to $550. For $50 more, brand new might be worth it, so always check both options before you decide. Here's a bonus tip most people miss. Use credit cards with purchase protection. Some cards extend your warranty automatically or protect against defects and damage. That means double protection on your refurbished buy, less risk, more peace of mind. At the end of the day, refurbished tech is one of the easiest ways to save money without sacrificing quality. You just need to be smart about where and what you buy. Do it right, and you'll wonder why you ever paid full price. If this helped you save money, hit like. Subscribe for more smart tech tips on Tech Vibes. And drop a comment if you've ever bought refurbished and how it went.